What's up, everybody? It's Katie Austin here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Everyone say hello to Millie girl. She's a puppy, she's 5 months old, so I'll probably have to put her away for this video. But today we are doing a quick yet effective ab workout. So I'm gonna take y'all through some of my favorite ab moves, and if you guys love this video, make sure to download and check out the Katie Austin app for 260 plus on-demand workout classes. This is the perfect workout to add onto your daily routine or one of my Katie Austin app workouts. So make sure to check it out. We are gonna get started, but just to first and foremost, we're gonna move through the moves pretty fast. It's gonna be efficient, it's gonna be effective. So just follow along and you guys got this. And I'm gonna put her away, BRB. All right, now let's get straight in the video. I want you guys to come right here on your knees. You're gonna gently sit back on your butt. First and foremost, let's just close our eyes right here. Rolling out those shoulders. Focus on how you're about to crush this workout, but at the same time, making sure there's no distractions around. This is your time to focus on you and your core. Rolling out those shoulders. Now let's come from side to side, just stretching out our side body just a little bit. Reaching over and extending the arm across. Feeling that shoulder mobility as well. Just getting our core a little bit warmed up, our blood flowing, oxygen running through our body. Last two. Last one, beautiful. Now cartwheel your hands up. We're coming into a high plank. We are gonna fire up our abs right away. In this high plank, I want you guys to scoot forward onto your wrists just a little bit more and back. We're up a few inches and back. Staying in that beautiful high plank, your butt is squeezed, your abs are squeezed. Firing up our abs for 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. High plank, slowly lower down to those elbows. Holding this right here, we have hip dips. So we're coming on each side and just dropping our hips just a little bit. Staying in that good high plank position as you come back to center and dip. Wonderful. Exhale every time. For 8, I told you, we're moving through these moves fast. You're just gonna feel the burn very efficiently. For 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Dropping those knees right here. Picking yourself up for a tabletop position. Inhale. And as you exhale, we're coming to a bird dog. So lifting each opposite limb out. I'm doing my left hand, right leg, coming together, knee to elbow. Inhale, extending each limb long, and exhale. Now, this might not look like a major ab move, but a bird dog is one of my favorite moves to do to work your core. Really reach and extend. We have 5. And exhale every reach for 4. Great work. 3, 2, engaging that core on the way in. Last one. On this last one, what I want you guys to do is drop that hand, but at the same time, what I want you guys to do is drop to the elbow. So as the leg is straightened out right here, that palm is still on the mat. Take your same knee to elbow and kick it right back out. Wonderful. Inhale and exhale, extend. Now, you're probably like, this is a leg move right here. This is not for your core. Yes, you're getting your legs nice, long, and lean, but at the same time, working the core, your obliques. You're only getting out of this as much effort as you're putting in. For 7, 6, 5, 4, wonderful. Keep breathing in. Last 2, and 1. Let's switch, coming back up to both palms right here, tabletop position. Bird dog on the other side, knee to elbow, and extend. Great. Really reach even further with your palm, your toes, pointing those toes. Wonderful. And exhale for 4. Stretch it out. For 3, get that core involved. 2, and 1. Release that hand. Same side. We are coming down with the opposite elbow. Now, knee to elbow and extend. Wonderful. Using those strong oblique muscles, your core, to bring that knee towards your elbow. And exhale with every reach. For 7, for 6, 5, 4, for 3, 2, and 1. Slowly come right back up to that tabletop position and shift around onto your booty. We are right here. I want your feet planted on the mat, butt on the mat, slowly rolling down. Pilates roll downs, each vertebrae at a time. And as you exhale, come right back up. Great. Rounding out those shoulders on the way down. And exhale on the way up. Palms can come towards the sky as well. Getting all that good energy. Again, try your best to do each vertebrae at a time. So slowly rounding out that back, each vertebrae hitting the mat and coming right back up. For 2 and 1, we're holding right here, inching down, just slight little inch, baby little pulses back. Wonderful. Now, what's the hardest part in this to me is keeping good posture, keeping those shoulders nice and back, the tension away from your neck. Great. Now, if you don't feel this, scoot even further back, hinge further back every time. For 7, for 6, 5, 4, 3, let's take it up a notch, and 2, and in 1, we're taking arm back, extending it right here. So reaching back just like that, coming back to center, and reach back. Wonderful. Inhale and exhale. Like I said, if you don't feel this, reach even further back. We only have a few of these. Nice work. For 4, elongate even further. For 3, 2, and 1. Great work. Slowly lowering back down, inching it just a little bit. Now we're right here. Place those hands right behind you, fingers facing towards your body, picking those legs up in a boat pose position. We have some V-ins. So extend those legs out long and exhale towards your chest. Here we go. Nice work. Keep going. Here's where you're really going to start to feel that burn. You got it. Now, what I want you guys to do next, this one's kind of fun, same type of movement, but bring those heels towards your opposite booty cheek every time. Nice diagonal, little twist with our V-ins. You got this. 12, 11, 10, finish it strong. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Plant those feet in 2 and 1. Slowly lower down once again. We're holding right here, catching your breath, breathing in through that nose. And as you exhale, slowly picking up that head from your mat. Hands come right behind you. I want tiny little pulses. Pulse, pulse. Now, what this does, feeling the oxygen coming in and out of your belly. I want no air between your back and the mat. We have 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hold at the top. Drop that hand. Reach towards the heel, heel touchers. Let's power through now for our obliques, our love handles as well. Shifting from side to side. Nice work, y'all. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Take a breather, relax, inhale. One leg comes straight up, pointing that toe. Breathe in. And as you exhale, place your hands right behind your head. Now what we're gonna do is a nice cross crunch right here, knee to elbow, straighten out that leg again, and toe tap. Beautiful, let's crush it. Inhale, exhale, Great. Feeling that burn along your obliques. We only have a few on each side. Nice work, you guys. 7, 6, 5, and 4. Great. 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take a deep breath in right here. Open up your lungs and your belly. And as you exhale, hands behind your head and straighten out that leg. Are you ready? Same thing on the other side. So first, we have the ankle tap to cross crunch. Let's power through. Keep breathing. Deep breaths in and exhale with every crunch. Twisting that torso, getting all the way up there, your shoulder up off the mat for 7, for 6, 5, 4, 3. Get that leg straighter. 2, and 1. Relax right here. Deep breath in through your core. And as you exhale, let's slowly come on up, rolling up just like you did before. Holding right here, picking those feet up off the mat, rolling those shoulders down and back, boat pose right here. So your fingertips are nice and elongated out, and I want little baby flutters, just like that. Beautiful, nice work, you guys. Breathing in, good posture. Keeping those feet at a 90-degree angle for 6, for 5, pressing down. Something's down, down, down. 4, 3, 2, slowly lowering those toes and planting your feet right here on the mat. Again, though, slightly hinging back just a little bit. I want twisties. So twist it on out right here. And making sure your exhale every twist. You got this. We're almost there, you guys. 8, 7, 6. Yes, finish it strong. 5, 4, 3, and 2, and 1. Shifting around into that high plank. Coming down, lowering on those triceps, stretching out your core. Beautiful job, you guys. Feels so good. Stretch out your core now. Letting those shoulders relax. And as you exhale, coming back to center right here. How you guys feeling? We feeling good? We feeling like our core just got stronger, feeling energized. Hopefully you guys really love that workout. Do not forget, number 1, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Number 2, if you guys like this video, I have hundreds, I'm not kidding you, hundreds of classes on the Katie Austin app or katieaustin.tv/videos, hundreds of classes to choose from, anywhere, anytime workouts. I do these for you guys to make sure you feel empowered to work out in your own home. I know it can be so hard to be motivated, but trust me, you guys, it is so much easier to have a set routine, to press play and follow along. I lead you guys through all the classes. I'm doing it there with you, so I'm not only your teacher, but I can also be your friend and to guide you through the workouts. So I hope you guys really love the Katie Austin app. I hope you guys love this workout, and I will see you at your next daily workout over on the Katie Austin app. Mwah.